Me.
Of your business.
That's all I can say.
That's how I'm business with
you. So you can't get it.
After your business.
Eh?
Then after your business, I'm not business with that.
Oh, my business with that.
You know what? I know you go get your nose not, so you have to end with your nose not.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another freaking video. Yes, and from the title down below, you know say our family member are gonna get prank. We are a random person out of our family, and I'm gonna tell them I'm pregnant and hear them reaction and see how them are gonna feel and what them are gonna say. So in the first part of the video, we're gonna call everybody first. And then we're gonna call them back and tell them say it's a prank. So into the freaking video.
Alright, so
people.
I call my
call him mother first.
This is my mom.
Yeah, Billy mother. Put it on speaker.
Okay. Come on, mom.
She probably there at church.
Probably at church, people.
She probably there at church.
Come on.
5 minutes later.
Alright.
Alright, we don't get her, so we will call her back.
So
we'll call her back on the last time, and then if we don't get her back, we wait a little bit and then call her back. Call another person.
Guarantee she there at church still, people.
Yeah, she there at church, because tonight what? Wednesday night?
Alright, people, so I'm gonna get my mother. So
I call my sister now.
Yeah. Sorry.
Not come so close. People over here. Maybe she can answer.
Of course. So let's go, guys.
Hello.
Mummy,
Yeah.
I have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. That's all I can say. You like, I get a niece or a nephew. Probably I like twin too. But me not tell nobody yet. I first somebody know. So that's all I can say. You can't say congratulations.
You want me to say more than the dream them come true?
When you say dream never come true?
Yeah.
Your dream see? Your dream see me pregnant?
No.
How your dream see pregnant?
Don't worry about that.
I lie. No, when I tell her mother yet, I call her and tell her and hear what she say.
I'm tired of the place to say.
Alright then.
Alright, people, so we are calling.
I call my mother. You see, hey, guys, if you don't hear me blur out in the video, we don't do it. I don't know. When you have to come so close in the camera, babe.
Hello?
P.
Oi.
Akavian.
Hey.
P.
Yeah, I hear you.
You don't know it's a girl pregnant.
Which girl?
Me.
Of your business.
And that's all I can say.
That's how I'm in a business with
So you can't get it.
After your business.
Eh?
Then after your business, I'm not business with that.
Wait, business with that.
You know what? I know you go get your nose knot, so you have to end with your nose knot.
You're serious?
Say no got for an ex grandbaby.
Me, and you better want a nose knot. I want you to go walk and I'm picking you fit out.
I say to me tell the man say that you're going to see. So me not work.
I'm not picking you fit out, but I nose knot you fit out. I don't want to hear about a nose knot.
So me not working.
Me not business what me don't want to hear about no nose knot. So when you catch nose knot, and you have to go sit down with nose knot, every day you go can't walk, you can't stand it.
Babe, me not saying good on my grandparents.
You're damn lucky.
The grandparents.
You left your grandparents to take him.
Of course, the grandparents willing to take you right now if we
You're
get.
lucky.
Yeah.
You're lucky. Congratulations for you and the argument don't know.
Alright, later.
So we'll say I got people.
So we call Mummy.
Yeah, that? We are calling
Melinda.
Alright, Melinda. What number go? Wrong number me I call people.
Wrong number I'm that call.
Nervous, as if you want a moment.
So guys, me a big on this. Smash that button. Like the video and left no comments in the comment section.
The next video we ever do? We're getting married. Let's go. Alright, come people, come man. Let's go.
Hi, good night, Melinda. Oh yeah, to sleep.
No.
Girl, I have some good news for you. You're gonna be a godmother.
Okay. You're pregnant?
Eh.
Oh my God. November, yeah, I'll be able to birth match in the future.
Oh, she check it once already. You're gonna be a godmother. Maybe a twin, a pair of twin too.
Oh.
Eh?
You?
Yeah. May you say?
Oh, pregnant.
Me.
Twin?
Me say pregnant. Me.
She lied with twin?
Yes.
Alright, then.
Don't tell nobody yet now. You first, my call.
I'm happy, but then twin?
Yes, so I'm gonna manage my little body with twin.
No more baby for now.
No more, right?
She lied, I don't believe you. Now I say for sure.
When you not believe me, me not call and tell them serious liar.
Oh my God, this is a big. But it's so far along.
Can't tell you, it's a surprise.
If I do one of them stuff doing you come out like make everybody know, you do one of them photo shoot something like that. My happy, you know.
Alright then later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People, they will literally eat after this. Alright, let's go. We're not each people.
We are going to Fisher next. Feel best friend.
Fisher. Fisher. I'm calling.
Guys, we are calling best friend. So yeah, we'll tell them the news.
Yo, Chargy. You know, it's a long time I tell you this story, brother. You know, it's a pregnant dog.
Yes, man.
Yeah, dog. A twin, dog.
What you say?
Yeah, dog. So you don't know, yeah, I'm the godfather and thing, you know, brother. You hear that?
Yeah, man, you know it's up there.
You hear that? But I tell nobody yet, you see me?
No, man, I don't do that, man.
You see it? Okay, don't know thing going on, dog.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. Where yourself, man?
Yeah. Don't know.
Bro.
Up.
Chop.
People, you saw the people are excited.
Yo! So me can know say anytime I'm ready to get pregnant, yeah. I know say some serious people out there have one back.
Alright, well, slow people.
Pretty.
Pretty much.
Phone call almost 8 o'clock, so I'm not sure if she asleep.
Can't tell she is.
She will put it on speaker.
Hello?
Shika, where Tasha is? She asleep?
Hold on.
Tell her to put it on speaker. The phone on speaker. Tell her to put the phone on speaker.
Tashaya. Look like she asleep, coffee.
She fast asleep? Oh, something do you want to tell her still? Tell her that she soon get one little cousin.
You don't know?
Get one little cousin.
We from?
No, for me, one pair of twin.
You have twin?
Yeah.
That's good.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, me tell her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one is supposed to be epic. Let's go. Let's pray that it is epic. Let's go.
Hope she pick up.
Hello?
Kim?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the sleep?
Oh,
Remember, from what day Kavian now come out and she's sick.
yeah.
She's pregnant. With twin.
Eh?
With twin.
Oh, you know that already?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
So may I get niece and nephew?
Oh my God.
Finally. Really? You think, Billy?
Yeah, Kim, don't tell nobody yet. You are the first, me tell.
Not to nobody.
Alright, me so call you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
So they
God.
want me to breathe? Yo, Kim, I gonna make sure say when we get pregnant, I'm gonna have a baby, I can't come down to the yard and give you.
Oh God. Oh, you come. I forgot call her back and say like
I forgot call her back. Call her mother. If you don't get a mother, we just hurry up call it. Most church today. So guys, when I get me well want hear Billy mother reaction.
Yeah.
But
So-
when I get through to her phone.
Huh?
Yo.
Yo, Deli.
Yo.
Yeah, how are you there?
I'm ready.
Oh. You know, see me a virgin though. For a long time.
Oh, boy.
Kavian pregnant, you know.
Hey, Hansi.
Yeah.
That's those man.
I'm a long time, brother. I'm here.
Congratulations, bro.
Yeah, you are the first me telling us, and I'm not gonna tell nobody, is it?
Not to nobody, brother.
Yeah. You be the godfather thing, you hear that? Yeah.
Where is the man?
Yeah, so when you come up my shower thing, is it?
Alright, bro.
This is one of them best friend.
Yeah, and I'm next bad charge, you know? Yo!
Yo.
But me really call for today still, you know? Like, early morning there. But you tell me say they're on work still. You see me? My girl pregnant, you know?
Man. Yo, congrats to them, fam.
I'm going to tell you, say a twin, dog.
Keep off the shirt. Man, yeah. For one shot, the mother for the 2-1.
You see it?
Yeah, man, I'm glad for you still.
Yeah.
You have to just prepare yourself for the day you have to come and just that from.
True. Said it.
Yeah.
Boss way, you know?
Yes. Yeah, man, I'm not.
You're the first time I tell you, so I tell nobody yet, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm not. Man.
Yeah, me so we shout her back.
Alright, man.
Oh gosh.
Have some courage, but we don't know still. Have some encouraging words still.
Yeah, me like him just say, make sure say prepare yourself, whatever.
So people, now I get my mother. Maybe next time we'll call her. You see me? I think so. I call about the people. Who first you call about? Call back your mother.
Say, call her first and tell her say a joke, me. It's a prank.
Me not talk to her. You talk to her.
Wrong
call
mama,
mommy.
wrong fool.
Call mommy.
No, call my mother first.
Which one? That one?
Yeah.
Come.
It's a prank still a joke, me. I'm not pregnant. Alright, so guys, no rubber for go call him back and tell him say it's a prank before the news spread. You know news spreads fast. No, she not answer.
Oy.
You have reached the...
Try her back.
Hello?
P.V.
Eh?
I can't feel. A joke me that make still is a prank.
What you say?
A joke me that make is a prank.
Yes. Whether you have a joke or joke, it's of your business. You are your doors that I got to you.
Ooh. It's a prank still.
After your glory of food look out. I mean, business with that. You know, so for me, they found.
Say hi to YouTube.
What?
Say hi YouTube.
So damn lucky.
Alright, later. Then we call Melinda. Mommy,
Oh,
is a joke still is a prank me prank you?
prank me with what?
What me just call you and tell you?
Nobody never do a serious joke with me.
You not making no, it's not making. I mean, why you get a reaction?
What?
Just say hi YouTube. Just say hi YouTube now. Alright then later. Oh gosh. Yeah, thanks.
Chip.
Yo,
Yo.
Godfather.
What is it, man?
It's a prank, killer. It's a prank, man. But I can't left it, man. I'm still little with you, man.
So, how we are prank me?
Yeah.
Say that, how you put me for you?
That's the eye you too.
I that much joke here.
Yeah, little more.
Much joke here.
Pretty.
Yeah, got pretty next.
Got him up for him.
For a news spread.
It's
Just say dog is a prank still. Just say hi YouTube. How this everything come out right?
Go on now, right? Dog up on a call. Yo! Yo, chap! Yo, it's a prank. It's a prank, Slayer dog.
Man, stop.
That's the eye YouTube. That's a YouTube. Big up yourself.
YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah, we soon knock you back again.
Man, you catch me
Yo, but I like encouraging work I give me, man. You see me? Respect
we
for
like
that, man.
respect.
Why?
Yeah, it's all like a real godfather, brother.
Stop, man. Don't be everything, yo.
Sorry about that. It's not the making.
It's not the make it still, man.
Make sure I talk for two. Nah,
I'm so short about. Smelling that.
So guys, we're on the last probably 3 name or 2 name.
Yo,
Yo, chap.
I did.
No, you be the godfather and things still, but it's a prank still, is it?
Yeah, man, I said, look, man, I don't think that's still, you know?
Yeah, man.
If I get a worse expression,
So, what kind of expression that, brother?
I'm for saying, I can't something worse than that, brother.
Say again, I was so short
just
about
say hello
it.
YouTube.
Alright, man.
Big up.
Yeah, man.
Have a Kim now.
Keep your ball.
Kim say yes! Like, bro, you guys.
Kim?
You just saw me.
Yeah. That's some sad news, eh?
Boa.
It's a prank.
More famous, sir. Bye.
Oh,
Look at what.
Mad like.
Oh, man.
You're mad like.
Say hi, YouTube.
Make sure I never record me put on a TV show here.
Say hi, YouTube, bro.
That me I tell you.
Say hi, YouTube.
Bye.
No, you watch the video, them can in it.
So guys, that concludes the video.